In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete tasks or events on Google Calendar. Whether you're cleaning up your schedule or simply adjusting for a new plan, knowing how to remove tasks or events efficiently is crucial to maintaining an organized digital calendar. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the process step by step. To start off, you'll want to open up your Google Calendar. You can do this by accessing your Google account and navigating to the Google Calendar app. Whether you're using a browser on your desktop or a mobile device, ensure you're logged into the correct account to view all the events and tasks associated with it. It's always a good idea to double check you're in the right calendar, especially if you manage multiple ones for different purposes, be it personal, work, or others. Once you have your Google Calendar open, the next step is to locate the event you want to delete. Simply scroll through your calendar, or use the search function if you remember the exact details, such as a keyword or name associated with the event. When you find the event in question, click or tap on it to open the detailed view. This is where all the specifics about the event live, from the time and date to the location, and any notes you may have added. With the event details in front of you, look for the small trash can icon. This icon is typically found towards the top right of the event pop-up window or page, depending on the device you're using. Clicking this icon will effectively delete the event from your calendar. Don't worry if you accidentally hit it. Google Calendar usually prompts you to confirm this action, preventing accidental deletions. It's important to note that this action will remove the event for all invitees, so make sure this is the desired outcome. Now let's tackle how to delete a task from your Google Calendar. Similar to events, begin by locating the specific task. This could involve scrolling through your task list or using a search function to find it quickly. Once you have the task selected, open it up to reveal its details, just like you did with the event. Here too, you'll find a trash can icon which, when clicked, will remove the task from your calendar. Deleting tasks is just as straightforward, but keep in mind that tasks tend to be more personal to your schedule, so ensure this is something you want to do. And there you have it, you've learned how to efficiently delete both tasks and events from your Google Calendar. Keeping your calendar up to date is essential for time management, and clearing out old or unwanted items can help streamline your daily routine. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes managing your schedule a breeze.